Kind of departure, good night.
American 629, good day.
Airline 1708, runway 8 left, clear land.
Airline 8 left, control to 1 5. Take off 9 right, here, turn left on November, short of Papa Hill, 24.
48 right, first takeoff, Southwest 624 feet. 7503, Atlanta Tower, right, line up away.
Hey, right, now wait.
Left on November behind Southwest.
South 1370, taxi by next to this. Take a loop on 1370.
Land 9 right, slow forward.
Atlanta Tower, right, line up away.
Line of plane 8 right, now 2365.
Papa, and then, airport to 5 South as well.
Shuttle 1376 at Papa cross runway 9 left, runway 1.75.
FedEx 724 heavy, traffic 3 miles. At the approach end, cross runway 8 left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi runway 8 right.
Okay, cleared to cross 8 left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717 FedEx 724 heavy.
South 2338, give way to FedEx at hotel.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, that's 2238.
FedEx 724 heavy, change to tower frequency 125.32.
2532, FedEx 724.
So 85 heavy, tower 1708, runway 8 left, clear land. That was 4690, exit taxiway Bravo 11, taxi Victor Blue.
Bravo 11, Victor, Luke, cat 4690, good day.
Kind of departure tonight.
503.
Delta 766, Arnhem Ronnie, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
8 right, clear for takeoff on Amber, Delta 766.
Delta 1682, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up away.
Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, deep right. Tower Delta 1705,
Delta 1705, line of tower 1807, coming out of right, middle lane.
Delta 1705.
7 Orlando White is coming out of the Mike 26, takeoff. So 1198 Atlanta Tower, now Mike to line up and wait. For delay for intro, spacing traffic will be downfield.
5138 Atlanta Tower 1809, coming out of right.
Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up away.
Line up way 8 red, American 629.
Delta 1261, kind of departure, good night.
Delta 1251, good day.
American 2596.
73301, give way to FedEx at hotel.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company bus.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company in November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
Net 3514 at Papa cross runway 9 left, join Lima 0.75.
At Papa cross 9 west, Lima, 0.75, 3514.
438, grab 2.5 out, cross runway 9 right, then turn left on November.
Denver 3301, disregard traffic.
Departure, good night.
Good night, man. 4669. Coming out of left. join Lima, 0.75.
Going to cross line, 9 left on Lima, 0.75, 55, Delta 26,
Delta 1971 at Papa Cross, going 9 left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross line of Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa Cross, going 9 left, join Lima, 0.75.
Left side left, Papa, over 75 Delta 2438. And departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, departure, sir. Good night, thanks.
Flight 7557 on Airline, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 8 right, RNAV, rounding in 7567.
Southwest 5614 on runway 8 right, line up away.
8 right, line up away, Southwest 5614.
Approaching minimums. 300 minimums. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. Retard.
Delta 1682, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up away.
Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, 8 right. Tower, Delta 1705, Bernie for...
Delta 1705, line up tower, 1807, going on right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 99, Delta 1705.
7 are now the widest, and we're now looking like clear for takeoff. Still 1198, Atlanta turning, normal flight to line up and wait. For delay for intro, facing traffic will be downfield.
5130 Atlanta Tower, 1809, going on right.
9 right, clear line, there, 5150.
American 629, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up away.
Line up away at 8 right, American 699.
Delta 1261, good night, departure, good night.
Delta 1261, good night. American 2596.
That's 3301, give way to FedEx, that hotel.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind accompanying the bus.
Cross 9 right, join November Company Airbus Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 Company and November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
Endeavor 3514 at Papa Cross, going on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
At Papa Cross, Fire West, Lima, 0.75, Endeavor 3514.
Airport 38, traffic 2.5 out, cross going on the right, then turn left on November.
Left side right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left and order, hold short of Papa, Southwest 9012.
Endeavor 3301, disregard traffic.
Departure, good night.
Good night now, bullshit 1597.
Turn one out of left, John Lima, 0.75.
Cut across, 9 left on Lima, 0.75, just right, Delta 2684.
Delta 1971 at Papa Cross, going on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
Cross line of Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa Cross, going on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
Left side left at Papa, over 0.75, Delta 4438.
Yeah, departure for Delta 1094.
Delta 1094. Takeoff, stay right around about 614 on a tower, my 8 right, line up away.
8 right, light up away, Southwest 5614.
Alright.
Delta 2338, taxi by Victor Loop.
Taxi Delta 2338.